Your spend moves fast, but your books always playing catch-up. We have the solution for that. Introducing Flow's native integration with Ramp. Real-time sync between spend and accounting. Both ways. No manual work required. Every transaction, every memo, every receipt in Ramp is automatically synced into Flow the moment it happens. No delays and no gaps between spend and accounting. Flow and Ramp, always synced, always reconciled. Your numbers always match. No missing data, no scattered documents. Flow captures every detail from Ramp and keeps it all in one place. One complete, audit-ready source of truth. Working across multiple entities, that's our specialty. Split any Ramp expense across entities. Set the rule once, and Flow handles the allocation from there. Every dollar in the right place. With Flow, you skip the grunt work, so you can spend your time on the work that really matters. Flow meets Ramp. Your financial system, now in sync.